Oh man, I missed the train. No, I must buy a new ticket.
Welcome, sir. Do you want to buy ticket?
Yes, absolutely.
Where is your destination?
It's Hong Kong.
Are you want to buy the ticket for today or another day?
Today I think, because tomorrow I have a college.
Let me see. There is only one left, sir.
When it's the part.
It's depart at 11 a.m.
Are you kidding me? Man, it's still 7 a.m.
I'm sorry, sir. Today is one left.
Why it's so fast?
Maybe because it is the first day of new normal.
I see. Okay, I'll take that. There's no choice.
It's $50.
Here.
Okay, this is your ticket.